Welcome you all to the video lecture on convolution of two signals given is x of t, which is e power minus 3t u of t, and another signal h of t, which is u of t plus 3, and then we have to convolute these two signals using graphical method. So we have, since it is CT signal, we have convolution formula, that is x of t star h of t is given by minus infinity to infinity x of tau h of t minus tau d tau. And here given is x of t and h of t, as that of formula we need to find out first what is x of tau. X of tau is given by, just replace t by tau, so e power minus 3 tau u of tau, and next we need to find out h of tau. H of tau is given by u of tau plus 3, and with the formula, so we have determined x of tau first and then h of tau, and here in the formula we have h of minus tau. So the next step we need to find out what is h of minus tau, and next we need to find out h of t minus tau. So h of minus tau we can find out by using time reversal operation. H of minus tau plus t is nothing but h of t minus tau, we can find out by time shifting operation. So once it is done, we can multiply x of tau with h of t minus tau, and finally we have to take integration so that we can find out the convolution between the two signals. So first let me draw your x of tau. X of tau is nothing but an exponential signal, and since we have e power minus 3 tau, it is decaying exponential signal. So how to find out? We know that u of tau is nothing but u of tau is equal to 1 for tau greater than or equal to 0. So I can rewrite x of tau as e power minus 3 tau for tau greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because u of tau value is 1. So substitute tau is equal to 0. What happens? E power 0 is 1. So at tau equal to 0, x of tau value is 1. Why? Because e power 0 is 1. And then tau is greater than or equal to 0 means I can write it as tau varies from 0 to infinity. So the final value of tau is nothing but infinity. So substitute infinity here. X of infinity is e power minus infinity, e power minus infinity value is 0. So somewhere at infinity you will get 0. Okay, so just to draw a decaying exponential signal like this. Okay, so this is nothing but your x of tau. X of tau is e power minus 3 tau, which is decaying exponential signal. So draw the diagram for that. So for drawing the diagram you have this logic. Okay, and next I need to draw h of tau. So before drawing h of tau, we need to know first of all what is u of tau. Now only we have said that u of tau is equal to 1 for tau greater than or equal to 0. So how will you draw that u of tau? U of tau is 1 for 0 to infinity. Okay, this is u of tau. If it is u of tau, how will you find out u of t plus 3? U of tau plus 3, u of tau plus 3 is nothing but time shifting operation. So time shifting operation means whatever the fundamental value you have, that is tau plus 3, we have to equate to 0. So find out tau is equal to minus 3. So this minus 3 I have to add with each and every instance of tau. Okay, so 0 plus minus 3 will become minus 3. Infinity plus minus 3 will become infinity. So your u of tau plus 3 will get left shifted. You will get left shifted signal like this. This is nothing but u of tau plus 3, which is nothing but h of tau. So h of tau is like is having the amplitude 1 for minus 3 to infinity. So from these two diagrams, okay, I need to find out x of minus tau, h of minus tau, and then h of t minus tau, and then finally I have to multiply and find the integration part. Okay, so next I need to find out what is h of minus tau. H of minus tau is nothing but reversal signal. Okay, so already we have determined that h of tau is nothing but it varies from minus 3 to infinity. Okay, this is your h of tau. So if it is so, how will you draw your h of minus tau? H of minus tau is nothing but reverse your signal. Okay, instead of drawing from minus 3 to infinity, you will have from minus infinity to 3. Okay, just reverse your diagram. Amplitude remains same 1. Okay, so this is your h of minus tau. So once you have done your next step, we have to draw h of minus tau plus t. Okay, we have to determine what is the value of t. So before that, you just minus infinity plus t. Okay, what is the value? So minus tau plus t is equal to 0. So tau is equal to t. So with each and every instance, I need to add t. Okay, so minus infinity plus t is nothing but minus infinity. 3 plus t will become 3 plus t. Okay, like this you are writing, because I don't know what is the value of t. I need to determine what is the value of t. So to determine the value of t, I need to find out what are the different cases of t first of all. Okay, so for that, from the given question, one is nothing but x of t is equal to e power minus 3t u of t, another one is h of t u of t plus 3. So from the given equation, we know that this x of t varies with 0 to infinity, and then h of tau varies from minus 3 to infinity. Okay, so with that I have to proceed. So x of t is equal to e power minus 3t u of t, meaning that which is e power minus 3t for 0 to infinity. So your t value varies from 0 to infinity. The second signal is u of t plus 3. Okay, so which implies, okay, your t varies from minus 3 to infinity. So with these two things, I need to find out the cases for your convolution. Okay, so already we have discussed in the previous problem how to find out your different cases. Add your lower limits first. 0 plus minus 3 is nothing but minus 3. Okay, so this is L1, this is L2, this is U1, this is U2. Lower limit 1, lower limit 2, upper limit 1, upper limit 2. So add L1 plus L2. L1 plus L2 is nothing but minus 3. So your t will be lesser than minus 3. This will be your first case. Second case, so your first case is L1 plus L2, we need to find out. Your t will be lesser than this. Second case, L1 plus L2 to upper limit, lower value of your upper limit, lower value of your upper limit. Okay, so second case, I have to start from this value L1 plus L2 to minus 3 to, okay, lower value of upper limit. When I see upper limit, both are infinity. Okay, so I have to take infinity only. Okay, so there is no lower value like that. Okay, both are equal and it is of infinity. So second case is minus 3 to infinity. So once you reach infinity, you can stop your cases. Okay, so for this problem you have only two cases. One is t less than 3, less than minus 3, another one is minus 3 to infinity. Okay, so first case, let me draw for your first case. So first case is t lesser than minus 3. As usual, first you need to draw your x of tau as it is. What is x of tau? This is the diagram for your x of tau, where your amplitude varies from 1 to 0. Okay, so you have drawn your x of tau. Next is you need to find out what is h of t minus tau for this case. So general thing is, okay, previously we have determined, general thing is it is minus infinity to 3 plus t. Okay, minus infinity to 3 plus t. So like this we have determined. This is your h of minus tau plus t. Okay, so t lesser than minus 3. What is t lesser than minus 3? Take any value which is lesser than minus 3. Suppose my t is minus 4. Okay, t is minus 4. What happens? This value will become minus 1. I am just taking lesser than minus 3 value. I am taking t is equal to minus 4. If t equal to minus 4, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So how will you draw this diagram? It will come from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, like this it will come. From minus infinity to minus 1 it will come. Okay, if I take t equal to lesser than minus 4. But actually it is not minus 1. It is actually 3 plus t. So it is 3 plus t. Okay. So, I am just taking, for example, I am taking t equal to minus 4, it may be t equal to minus 5 also, minus 6 also, minus 7 also. So, whatever may be, how your diagram will look like, it will be before your x of tau, okay, so that there is no overlapping. So, this diagram is your h of t minus tau, this diagram is your x of tau, there is no overlap between x of tau and h of t minus tau, okay. So what happens, the convolution becomes 0, okay. So, as usual you have tried, there is no overlap between x of tau and h of t minus tau. Therefore, x of t star h of t is 0. And the second case is minus 3 to infinity. So, as usual, draw the diagram x of tau first as it is, it varies from 1 to infinity, okay, and then minus 3 to infinity. So, somewhere in between you have to take. So, let me consider t equal to 1, okay, minus 3 to infinity, I am just considering t equal to 1, okay. So, how will you draw your h of t minus tau? H of t minus tau, I know that it will be from minus infinity to 3 plus t, okay. So, if I take t is equal to 1, what happens, this value becomes 4, okay. So, if it is 4, how will you draw your diagram like that, it will come up to this, okay, somewhere from minus infinity to in between I have like your diagram will be like this, okay. Suppose if I am considering 4, you can consider minus 2 also. Minus 2 also what happens? 3 minus 2 will become 1. It will come here. Okay, somewhere here you will have. But it is not 4. Okay, it is actually 3 plus t. Okay, so you will have overlap in between some region 0 to 3 plus t. Somewhere in between your x of tau and h of t minus tau gets overlap. Okay. So, anyway both amplitudes are 1, okay. So, if you want to perfectly draw, no, you will have both amplitude will meet, okay. So, let me have here 1, okay. So, you will have like this. So, it will have overlap between these two regions, okay. So, how will you draw these two regions? It will get overlap. So, my integration will be there, x of t star h of t, which is nothing but minus infinity to infinity x of tau h of t minus tau d tau, and here particularly the region is between 0 to 3 plus t, okay. What is x of tau now? Okay, x of t is e power minus 3t u of t. So, x of tau is nothing but e power minus 3 tau, okay, and h of t minus tau. So, just for example I am writing here h of t is equal to u of t plus 3, okay. How will you represent? H of t is equal to 1 for t greater than or equal to minus 3, that is minus 3 to infinity, this already we have determined. So, h of tau will be what? It is equal to 1, okay, for same minus 3 to infinity. Similarly, h of t minus tau also becomes what? 1, okay. There is nothing to substitute, I do not have any t value to substitute here. So, all values are 1, h of t is also 1, h of tau is also 1, h of t minus tau is also 1. So, x of tau is nothing but e power minus 3 tau, h of t minus tau is 1 and then d tau, okay. Just do your integration. So, e power minus 3 tau divided by minus 3 and it varies from 0 to 3 plus t, okay. So, substitute your upper limit. So, you will have can take minus 1 by 3 commonly outside, e power minus 3 plus t, okay, and then minus e power 0 is 1, okay. So, if you rewrite this expression just taking minus inside, okay, 1 by 3. This will become 1, this will become minus, okay, e power minus 3 into 3 plus t. So, this is the case for t greater than or equal to minus 3. So, finally, I can write your expression such that x of t star h of t, it is equal to 0 for t lesser than minus 3, and then it is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 minus e power minus 3 into 3 plus t, minus 3 into 3 plus t for t greater than or equal to minus 3. So, finally, you have to write the expression. Okay. Thank you.